Take a look at this memory album. It shows a picture of a house by the ocean, paired with a very common past tense sentence, I used to live near the sea. But what if we wanted to change the phrasing? Can we swap out used to and instead say I would live near the sea? To answer that, we have to look at the exact verb we're using and figure out if it represents a physical action or a continuous state of being. This chart lays out the basic rule. On the left side, you can see we use used to for both past habits and past states. On the right, we use would strictly for repeated past actions. A state is a condition that remains true over a period of time without you actively doing it. An action is an event you consciously start and stop over and over again. So before you decide between these two grammar structures, you first need to identify exactly what kind of verb you are dealing with. Let's look at some physical recurring activities. Here we have a football and a car, paired with sentences like, we used to play football after school, and every summer we would visit our grandparents. Because playing football is a physical habit that happened repeatedly in the past, used to works perfectly here. And because visiting grandparents is also a recurring physical action, would is an equally correct choice. When you are describing physical actions that you actively performed on a regular basis, you can safely use either phrase. Now let's bring back our first example with the house by the ocean. Notice that the verb live is clearly tagged as a state. Living somewhere is a continuous reality. You don't wake up, start living there, stop living there to go out for lunch, and then start living there again. Because of that, the sentence, I would live near the sea, is grammatically incorrect, leaving used to as our only valid option. The rule is rigid. Would strictly requires a physical action verb. If you are talking about a state of being, you have to stick with used to. There is another structural rule you need to know for negative statements and questions. Take a close look at how these examples are spelled. Did you used to and I did not used to. When we introduce the auxiliary verb did, it absorbs the past tense property. This strips the D right off the main verb. Let's apply that here. See if you can spot the mistake. Did you used to walk to school? The did is already there, so we drop the D on use. Forgetting this letter is a common trap on grammar exams. Let's put this into practice. For challenge 1, choose the correct phrasing. I used to or would have long hair. Challenge 2, fix the error in this question. Did you used to walk to school? And challenge 3, complete the sentence. Every Friday, we blank eat with our cousins. Here are the answers. Having long hair is a state, so it requires used to. The second sentence contains did, so we drop the duh on use. And eating with cousins every Friday is a repeated action, meaning both would and used to are perfectly fine. This review card summarizes exactly how to navigate these verb forms, along with correct examples and a reminder on spelling. Pause the video and take a screenshot of this page so you have the exact formula ready for your next writing assignment.